50 English questions you need every day. Speak English in real life. Do you feel nervous when you try to speak English? You want to talk, but you don't know what to say. The truth is simple. You don't need difficult grammar. You just need simple questions. In this video, you will learn 50 English questions that you can use in real life, every day. And yes, you will practice with me. This is not just a lesson. This is speaking practice. So don't just listen. Repeat after me. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Let's begin. Part 1, Basic Questions. Listen first, then repeat. What is your name? Repeat. How are you? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? Now say all 5 together. Continue. Are you a student? Are you working? What time is it? What day is it today? How old are you? Great. You are doing well. Mini practice, 3 o'clock. Imagine you meet someone. Ask. What is your name? How are you? Where are you from? This is how conversations start. Part 2, Personal Questions. Repeat after me. What do you like? What do you do every day? What are you doing now? What are your hobbies? Do you like coffee? Now continue. Do you like tea? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite color? Do you watch TV? Do you use social media? Excellent. Keep going. Mini conversation practice. Let's make a short conversation. I ask, you answer. What do you like? What are your hobbies? What do you do every day? Good. Speak naturally. Part 3, Daily Life Questions. Repeat. What do you do at home? Do you cook food? Do you clean your room? What time do you wake up? What time do you sleep? Continue. Do you eat breakfast? What do you eat in the morning? Do you exercise? Do you read books? Do you study every day? You are improving step by step. Part 4, Conversation Questions. These are very important. Repeat clearly. Can you help me? Can you repeat that? Can you speak slowly? What do you mean? Do you understand me? Continue. Can I ask you something? What do you think? Do you agree? Why do you think that? What should I do? These questions help you in real conversations. Part 5, Social and Outside Questions. Repeat after me. Where are you going? Are you busy? Can we meet today? What are your plans? What are you doing later? Continue. Do you want to join me? What time will you come? How do you go to work? Where do you usually go? Can I come with you? Amazing. You completed all 50. Final practice. Now repeat these 5 questions. What are you doing now? What do you like? Can you help me? What time do you wake up? Where are you going? Daily practice tip. Use these questions every day. Ask 2 to 3 questions daily. Speak with friends or practice alone. Challenge. Today, ask 3 questions in English. And write your answers in the comments. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need simple questions. And daily practice. Start today. And you will speak English confidently. Subscribe for more easy English lessons. Rocket.